Meaning of gentry.
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 Gentry. The term gentry typically refers to a social class consisting of people who are considered to be of high birth or standing. Historically, members of the gentry were often landowners or held significant positions within their communities or governments. The gentry were sometimes referred to as the upper middle class and were often associated with manners, education, and refinement. Today, the term gentry is occasionally used to describe a privileged or influential group of people, but it is not as commonly used as it was in previous centuries.